Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Okay, today I am taking your English class. This is your first class. Okay? Before starting the class, please make a happy face. Hurry up, hurry up. I want your smiley face. Yes. Do you want to listen a beautiful song? Okay, listen it.
चलो
Okay, dear friends, have you listened the song? Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section. Do you like it? Yes. This is ABC song and it's called alphabetical song. Okay, ABC has 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. Today we will learn about the first letter. Are you ready? Yes. The first letter is A. The first letter is A. This is capital A. This is small a, capital A, small a. Its phonic is A. Its phonic is A. Its phonic is A. What's its phonics? Its phonic is A. I have lots of friends of A. It's mean all the friends begins with phonic A. Do you want to see them? Yes. What are these? These are letters A, B, C. Alphabet. These are alphabets. What are these? Alphabets. Alphabets begins with phonic A. Alphabets begins with phonic A. Do you want to see more friends? Yes. Okay. What is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is an apple. Apple begins with phonic A. Apple. Apple. I have more pictures of apple. Look at this. This is green apple, red apple, yellow apple. These are the colors of apple. Okay, apples begins with phonic A. Look at another friend. What is this? It's an aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. What is this? This is also aeroplane. And what is this? This is also aeroplane. Aeroplanes begins with phonic A. Aeroplanes begins with phonic A. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Do you like these aeroplanes? Yes. Okay. I have another friend. What is this? This is X. What is this? X. X begins with phonic A. X. X. We use X to cut the woods. Look at this. What is it? It is an arrow. What is it? An arrow. Arrow begins with phonic A. Arrow begins with phonic A. Arrow. Arrow. Oh, look at this. What is it? It is an ant. It is an ant. Ant begins with phonic A. Ant. Ant. Oh, look at this. This is a big animal. What's its name? Do you know? It is an alligator. What is it? It is an alligator. Alligator begins with phonic A. Alligator. Alligator. Okay. What is it? It is a leg. This is leg. And this part is called ankle. This part is called ankle. 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 Look at this. What is it? What is it, students? Dear friends, it is an arm. It is an arm. Arm start with phonic A. Arm. Arm. Look at this. What is it? This is a dry fruit. You eat it in winter season. What is it? Do you remember? No? Okay, I will tell you. It is an almond. It is an almond. Almond start with phonics A. Almond. Almond. What is it? It is an astronauts. 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 Okay. Look at this picture. Who is he? There are some buildings behind him. He makes the maps of the building, the design of the building. So he is an architect. Who is he? Architect. Architect begins with phonic A. Architect. Architect. What is this? This is a boy and he is making a beautiful picture. He is an artist. He likes artworks and he is an artist. Artist begins with phonic A. Artist. Artist. Okay. Look at this. What is it? Do you know it? There are some fishes, water, pebbles, water plant, and this is called an aquarium. What is it? An aquarium. What is it? An aquarium. Aquariums begins with phonic A. Aquarium. Aquarium. Okay, what is it? This is a clock. This is a clock, and when we set an alarm, in this clock a bird comes out and say cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. So what this clock shows? An alarm. What this clock shows? An alarm. A alarm. A alarm. Okay. Look at this. What is it? It is a photo album. It is an album. Album begins with phonic A. Album begins with phonic A. Okay, friends. Now I have shown all the friends to you. Which letter we have learned today? A letter. And its phonic is A. Its phonic is A. My dear friends, I want that you will see all the surroundings and find out the friends of A. Okay, fine. Now Allah Hafiz. But before saying Allah Hafiz, I want to say something. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos also. Okay, Allah Hafiz.